Sarvesham Namaskaraha. So today we can discuss lakaras. So in Sanskrit there is 10 lakaras are there. So for our lesson we have only 5 lakaras. So first one is lakara, pad dhatu. Let lakara. Let lakara means vartamana kala, present tense. To explain something in present tense, we are using this let lakara. Let lakara. Okay. So there are 10 lakaras are there. So we have only 5 lakaras. The first one is let lakara. So let lakara to explain something in the present tense. So as we know, purushas, pradhama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha. Then vachanas also. Ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. The importance of Sanskrit, what was that? Because we have dvivachana also. Only in English, we have only ekavachana and bahuvachana. Singular and plural, right? So here it is ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana is there. And here we are explaining padhadadoho lettalakara. So padhadadu. Dhatu means the root verb. So dhatu is root verb. So based on that we are making the words. That is lakaras or kriyas. We can say that is kriya. Okay, verb. We can say like that. So padha is the base verb. Like if in English also we have go, went, gone. Right. So like that we have here that base verb is padha. Based on that we are creating the lakara rupas. So first one is prathama purusha. So prathama purusha ekavachana. Prathama purusha ekavachana is pathati. Dvivachana is pathataha. Bahuvachana is pathanti. So saha pathati. Then it's a singular form. So then dvivachana, one more. Two peoples are there. So they are playing, right? So for that pathataha, then more than two. To explain something like that, we are using bahuvachana, that is pathanti. Okay. So prathama purusha, pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Then next is madhyama purusha. Okay. Madhyama purusha is tvam. The subject is tvam. Okay. Tvam. So tvam pathasi ekavachanam. Then dvivachanam pathataha. Dvivachanam means two, more than only two. Okay, two peoples are learning something. Okay, for that pathataha. Then more than two, that is three or three plus. We can consider like that. Okay, that is bahuvachana, that's plural. Okay, to explain that dvivachana, we are using pathataha because only two peoples are there. We can rectify that. We can figure out that when the kriya is pathataha, we can rectify. We can figure out what was that. The subject line is tvam itself, right? And then last one. That is Anya Purusha or Uttama Purusha. That is Aham. Aham Pathami. Aham Pathami. So, am learning. Okay. Then Pathavaha. Pathavaha, because I am and my friend also. Me and my friend. Mine also my friend. So, we are two. Only two. We are explaining two peoples. So, for that, we are using Pathavaha. Then Pathamaha. More than two. I am playing, I am learning, my friend is learning. Again, one more guy is also learning. So, to explain that thing, we are using that pathamaha. Okay. So, whatever it is, lakara rupa, to explain the present tense, we are using this thing. So, ekavachanam, prathama purusham ekavachanam, pathati, pathatha, pathanti. Madhyama purushan, pathasi, patatha, pathada. So, madhyama purusha, the subject line is tvam. Then Uttama Purusha is Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham Pathami, Avam Pathavaha, Vayam Pathamaha. Tvam Pathasi, Yuvam Pathadaha, Yuyam Pathada. Okay, this is the method of writing. So you can by heart whatever it is, we can by heart. What is this? This Pathati, Pathadaha, Pathanti, Pathasi, Pathatha, Patatha, Pathami, Pathava, Pathamaha. In the point of view, what was that? The subject line should be, if Prathama Purusha, Saha or Eshaha, we can use this Pathati. If the subject is Aham, it should be Pathami. Okay, Aham Pathami, Aham Chalami. Then the Madhyama Purusha, that means the subject line is Pathasi. So, Tvam. Okay, for that. Then we can move to the next one. That is the same thing. Pathatatoho bhutakalartha. Bhutakalartha is lang lakara. Okay, bhutakala means past tense. Past tense. To explain something, some kriyas in past tense, that's we are using lang lakara. Right? Okay. So for lang lakara, the same thing. Purushas. There are three purushas there. That is prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, and uttama purusha. So for ekavachana, prathama purusha, lang lakara, it's apathat. Apathat. Okay, that is past tense. So we can figure out easily because whenever we are adding something in front of a is adding in front of a kriya, we can consider that as past tense. Hmm? Apathat, apatatham, apathan. So Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana, Apathan, Dvivachanam, Apatadham, Bahuvachanam, Apatat. The same thing for Madhyama Purusha, that is Madhyama Purusha means Tvam. Okay, the first one is Saha. Then here it is Tvam. So the subject is Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So Tvam Apatha, Yuva, Yuyam, Yuyam Apatatham, Yuvam Apatat. Then the last one is Aham Apatham, Avam Apatava, Ahama Vayam Apatama. Okay, so ma and ma, it's take care of that sentence, that word also. For if the subject is aham, it should be apatham. Avam, the subject is avam, is apatava. The subject is vayam, is apatama. So vayam is more than two. Okay, this is about lang lakara. Lang lakara, that is past tense. To explain something in future, that is bhavishya kala, that is lirit. What is that? Lirit. To explain something in bhutakala. We should explain because in some sentences we are made for my actually what is the purpose of this lakara, it's to create the sentences. We have to figure out the differences. For that only we are using this kriyas. Okay. So bhavishya kala lit lakara. Okay, Liruttalakara, then again it is the same thing. We have that common pattern, that is Purusha, Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. So Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana, Patishyati, Dvivachana, Patishyatha, Padishyanti. Okay, it's future. It's happen in future, not now. So that means Padishyati. Will, I will. Okay, that's in the future tense. Okay, so then Madhyama Purusha Patishyasi. So Madhyama Purusha, the subject line should be Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. So Tvam Patishyasi, Padishyataha, Padishyatha. The last one is Aham Padishyami, Aham Padishyami, Avam Padishyavaha, Vayam Padishyamaha. We will learn. Usually we are learning like that while the exam is done. I will learn like that. Okay, for that only we are using this bhavishya kala. Okay, so prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha, the same thing. So instead we can figure out how it is, because for bhavishya kala something is in between. Shya will be there. So for bodhakala, a will be there. In between the words, there will be the in the beginning of the word a will be there. In between the words in bhavishya kala, shya will be there. Okay, you can figure out that things. So today we learned whatever it is. We learned that present tense, latalakara, langalakara is past tense, and future tense also we learned. So by heart this and figure out some words and make some words also. Okay, like that we can learn the dhatu rupa. Okay, thank you.